My name is Thanos, last name is Lemonitis. My family owns the Church Nightclub here in Denver, Colorado. We thought my uncle was crazy when he first stepped foot in here and said, we're buying this. And it's history. You can't help but be in awe when you walk in the door, especially for people that have never been here. I think it's iconic, man. It's one of the most beautiful venues in the world. The architecture, the glass, everything is just unmatched anywhere you go anymore. I'd say one of the best sounding clubs in America. I mean, a church was built, for the acoustics. And I think when you put a sound system like Void in here, it's incredible. I think it's one of the best sound systems in the world. It's crisp, it's clean, it's sexy. I fell in love the first time I heard it. Just the clarity of it all. It doesn't matter where you're standing, in what part of the building on this main floor. It's phenomenal. I think we made the right choice. I would sit in the middle of that floor, blaring Dream Theater, and it's perfect. It was amazing. So, I fall in love with this building every time I come in it.